Space coaster. Step inside.
This is the
Go for a magic ride.
This is the
Taking you to the other side to where only
this is the catio that Mark
rainbows
made for our
hide.
cats.
It's the great
So this is Connor.
Connor McNubbins.
Connor McLeod of the Clan McLeod. And this is Uzume. She's kind of the boss, even though she's the smallest one. And there's my baby Duncan. Wait, no. Yeah, that's Duncan.
No, this is Uzume.
It's Uzume? No. Okay, that's Uzume.
Yeah, because she only comes to that noise.
And then that's Duncan. They all have the same father. They're all going to be 2 in October.
And I was trying to get the Great Space Coaster stuck in Carol's.
Keep trying.
Keep trying.
Keep trying. Go ahead.
Go ahead for the people on the show. The people.
So these are the kitties. You did a great.
Well, let's evidence things here.
You
So
did a great job.
Petting topside petting door and also extraction location.
Okay.
Hey, Duncan is making in the tent, so we can pet. And then we also have the lower portion.
The lower portion.
Door. So you can check out inside how cool it is.
Yeah. Little rug and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And there's the flap to get in and out of the house.
Yeah. There's also an upstairs portal and a cute cat.
And then so they go out through the window from the house. Through the little, see the little thing right there?
Which is actually bolted in.
Yeah. That way we can let them out and they won't get killed by coyotes and whatnot.
And it's all held together with stainless steel brackets that I custom fabricated for the window.
Nice. All right.
Which was the funnest part.
and there's Duncan
because I get to
licking
operate
himself.
metal bending equipment and stuff like that to do things like that. The wood part, obviously not straight, because I'm a metal fabricator, not a wood fabricator.
Well, it's just practice and a fun project.
Straight is straight, right? Unfortunately, I'm not.
All right. Signing off from Carol Still, Action Plan, and Mark, and the kitties.